Hello, Miami.
In the final days of this race for the White House, we're seeing more and more of the president on the trail in full campaign mode. And if you've heard the president speak this week, you've no doubt heard this line.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Yes, it's catchy, and the crowds love it. But do you know where it comes from? Could it be a line of Cajun seasonings from former NFL running back Charles Alexander? Or did it come from Vice President Joe Biden?
Come on, man.
Or maybe he got it from watching sports on TV. The phrase has been a regular segment on ESPN's Monday Night Football coverage for the past 8 years. It started in 2008, the same year he was elected president. ESPN uses it to call out the sillier side of football.
Come on, man.
There really is no doubt in our mind that he's paying homage to our show with that expression. Well, we've all talked about his delivery, and honestly, it's an A. You know, it's perfect. He has the inflection down perfectly. The exasperation in his voice is perfect. He's obviously watched a lot. I know he's going to have some free time on his hands come, 2017. So, maybe he'll even join us for a segment.
It's a piece of pop culture, one the president might have picked up from his nights watching ESPN at the White House. Now a favorite line on the campaign trail.